Good evening, friends, and welcome to the first video of the channel, which is IES. And as all of you are aware that we have changed the name of the channel, and all the instructions will be given in English only. So from now, all the videos will be posted in English language. So you can see the time is 5:33 as of now, and today is 22nd April 2020. So in this video I will tell you the stock which I traded today, and it's been more than 3 weeks that I haven't traded even a single stock. So I'll tell you how did I select Maruti. I traded Maruti today. So why did I select Maruti, and why it was traded today, and what all the levels which were important for Maruti. So let's see. So this is auto chart for yesterday. So when we were analyzing it in the evening after the market hours, so this was the support range for auto sector, and you will see that it hit this level and it closed above this. Okay, then I try to identify the Maruti. It also did the same thing. Okay, it tried to go below this level. This was the support for Maruti, and this level was 4970. 4970. So this was the support for Maruti, and it tried to go below this level and it closed above. Okay, and this is how Maruti was looking when we were uh, analyzing it. So I will put that line over here as well. It was 504. The level was 4970. So we will mark this line 4970, and this was the support, so we will mark it with green color. So this is how it was. Okay, so yesterday Maruti tried to go below this level and close here. Okay, so these were the level marks for today intraday trading, and this red line is from the significant level of yesterday. Okay, so if you will see first auto, okay, it opened somewhere in this support range, and as soon as it opened it went up and closed above this level. Okay, also Maruti did the same thing. Okay, it followed the same suit here, that it opened somewhere here and it closed above this. Okay, now auto tried to come down and it closed here, and again it tried to go up. The same thing Maruti did. So see, Maruti closed above this significant level. It tried to come. Okay, it increased the volume and still was not able to break this support. Okay, in the next one it tried to go below this, and if you will see, when the candle was closed it came above this. Okay, so this support range, it means buyers are still here and they will not let it fall. Okay, so at this candle, in this candle, the entry price was 5042. Yeah, this was the exact entry level, 5042. So this is where I entered. Okay, and the stop loss was somewhere below this, 5020. It was, I think. Yeah, so the low of this was 5019, so it was below this. Okay, so this was the level. Okay, so I let it open and I didn't set any target, so I just wanted to check if it will try to form any resistance in intraday. I will exit from this position. So I kept it watching, and if you will see here, for the first time it increased the volume. Okay, so this is the candle, so where it tried to increase the volume. So what I did, exit at 5138. So this was the market price at that time when this volume increased, 5138. So I will put that level 5138. Okay, so this is how it was. Okay, so it went up again, it tried to come down. Okay, so I exit somewhere here. Now I was watching it again and when it started falling, I again placed an order over here for the same level, which was 5042. Okay, and when it hit this level, since it hit this level but it didn't came, so it was again making higher high. Okay, so I let it trade, and then it closed above this level with increasing volume, and then I was looking where it will form the resistance. Okay, and then somewhere at this level you see it started falling, and my exit was at 5170, 5170.25. So this is where I exit. See, it started going up, 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 and it increased the volume here. Okay, so since by the time I was thinking that let it go till 315, but you can see that at this point of time the price was somewhere here. So I made an exit or this level, which was 5170.25. So if you will calculate the risk to reward ratio, okay, so I entered exactly at 5042, and the stop loss was somewhere 50. Let me give the so 5017. So this was something which is of 25 rupees, like 0.5% we can say, almost 0.5%. So 25 rupees, and you can see that the first target was 5138. So let's calculate this. So our exit was, first exit was at 5138. I'm just taking the round 5048. I'm just taking the round figure. I'm not going by the points. So, this was 5042. So 96 point and 25 rupees was the stop loss. So you can see it was almost a 1:4. Okay, and then again I entered at the same level, which was 5042, and my exit was 5170. So 5170 minus 5042, and this was some 128 points, and in this the stop loss was again at the same, which was 5, so we can say 25 paisa, 25 rupees. So this was some 1:5 trade. So this is how I traded it, and simply what I did, I just checked the support and resistance and how it behaved in the morning. Okay, so this is how it was traded. The other stock which was traded is Hero Motocorp. Let's just see that as well. Hero Motocorp. Okay, so this was Hero Motocorp, and if you will see this one, same thing. Okay, it tried to make a support over here, and the levels were taken from this 5 minute chart. Let's open 5 minute chart, and this is day separate. Okay, so in this, let me tell you at what point did I enter. I made an entry at 1819. So this was 1819. This was my entry point in this, and the target I exited in here was 1875. 1875. So this is how it was. Okay, so in this, if you will see here, it tried to form a resistance, but it didn't go up, and somewhere I exit. Okay, and sorry, this one. Okay, over here it increased the volume, so somewhere I exit on this candle. So this is how it was, though it went up to 1900, it seems. Yeah, 1905. Okay, but it didn't came down, and because of this only I traded Maruti again. Okay, and if you will see, so it tried to hit the support and it went up, and if you will check the levels which were taken, the levels were taken from this candle. Okay, so the significant levels and all these levels were marked, and this is how it was traded. So I hope you like the video, and we will keep posting the videos every week now. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.